Gardening is more than just planting seeds. It's a profound practice that fosters mindfulness. Engaging with the earth allows you to immerse yourself in the present moment, creating an intimate connection with nature. When you dig your hands into the soil, the act transforms into a meditative experience that calms the mind and reduces stress. Focusing on the rhythm of planting, watering, and nurturing plants encourages you to leave behind distractions and worries. Research indicates that spending time in green spaces lowers cortisol levels, promoting relaxation and mental clarity. Gardening also stimulates your senses. The colors of the flowers, the scents of the herbs, and the textures of the leaves engage your attention, anchoring you in the now. Additionally, the act of tending to plants can serve as a form of creative expression, allowing you to personalize your garden in ways that reflect your inner self. This creative outlet acts as a therapeutic tool, helping you cultivate patience and resilience. Ultimately, the harmony found in gardening invites a slower pace of life, offering a sanctuary for introspection and peaceful living. Embrace gardening as a pathway to mindfulness and witness the positive transformation in your well-being.